Best London Sauna. Number 1. Saunas, London Sauna. Saunas far-infrared sauna is equipped with 5 far-infrared carbon plates and 3 fast-heating carbon tubes. This combination ensures a steady and rapid heating of the sauna. The set temperature can be reached within 15 minutes in summer and 20 to 25 minutes in winter. A relaxing retreat. Saunas low EMF far-infrared sauna health benefits, which can lowers blood pressure, detoxifies and increases blood circulation. Alleviates joint pain, ease pain from sore muscles or aching joints. After heavy work and intense exercise, saunas can help us relax well. Traditional sauna process would be too boring to use mobile phone and computer. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 2. LTCC DSS, London Sauna. One person and a seat that can carry 440.92 pounds. The smallest footprint is perfect for your master bathroom, bedroom, basement or gym to enjoy the health benefits of regular sauna use in the comfort of your own home. Indoor sauna, LCD panel controls time and temperature presets from 20 to 60 degrees Celsius, 68 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Tongue and groove design for quick assembly, 6mm tempered glass door, top ceiling vent for indoor use, 1350 watts power, 10 to 15 minute quick preheat, 2 12 volts 4 inches music speakers, Bluetooth connectivity to smartphone. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 3. How to, London Sauna. As an oversized high-quality sauna spa, shipping via LTL curbside and signature requested. Seller needs to confirm consignee's phone hash and address before scheduling shipment. Please pay attention to the email after placing the order, and we will contact you within 4 hours. Good for health, lowers blood pressure. Detoxifies and increases blood circulation. Alleviates joint pain, ease pain from sore muscles or aching joints. Besides burning calories, improves skin tone among other benefits. No need to spend a lot of money in the physical therapy center. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 4. Radiant, London Sauna. Far infrared heat provides relief to your body by warming your core temperature, loosening your muscles and easing joint pain. Each heater is perfectly positioned to provide steady heat throughout your body. This slim, 2-person sauna room is built for small spaces. Its minimal footprint fits snugly within your master bathroom, bedroom, basement, or gym. Enjoy the health benefits of regular sauna use right in your own home. As you relax in this luxurious sauna, your body works hard to keep your temperature down, burning calories and slimming your waist. Increased sweat production removes harmful toxins from your body. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Number 5. Lucan, London Sauna. This gorgeous sauna is constructed with high-quality natural Canadian hemlock wood. A beautiful and durable wood that serves as an excellent heat insulator. Its glass is tempered for reliable longevity. The intelligent entertainment system is equipped with 2 high-quality speakers. Small size, low space requirements. Convenient and worry-free. Lowers blood pressure. Detoxifies and increases blood circulation. Alleviates joint pain, ease pain from sore muscles or aching joints. Besides burning calories, improves skin tone among other benefits. When you play game on your mobile phone, watch movies, enjoying the book, magazine. For current prices and discount, check links in the description box. Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.